Museum function. Right now we have 8 county governments that have structures like you have here, that you would call, that has collections, has artifacts and other cultural things for the community. We have, I think, Trans Nzoia, we have Kisumu, we have Wajir, we have Garissa, Meru, Narok, Lamu, Marsabit. Now, out of these 8, so far we have handed over in 1 county. We've been able to do the exercise we are going to do here today, and we have even been able to hand over, and that is the Trans Nzoia. Kisumu is also ready. We are just waiting for the day when the principal secretary and the cabinet secretary and the governor for Kisumu will be ready, so that they also sign off the handing over. But in terms of management, in terms of operations, Kisumu is now undertaking that exercise. This time round, for this week, we are doing the same exercise in 2 counties. Narok, we have a team like this in Narok and Wajir. And the same exercise is going, and after that we will arrange for a time when the 2 levels of government, that is NMK representing national government and the county government of Wajir, to sign off the handing over, because we must sign off a document. Can't just hand over specific to Wajir. And in that IPA, it will contain the role of the county government as you are taking over, and the role of national government as it's handing over, and the role of IGRTC to witness and to monitor and be able to ensure that the process is going on as required.
For service delivery to the Kenyan person. So if the 2 levels agree and realize that this function can well be executed by collaborating between the 2 levels of government, by coming up with joint committees, there we are again, Article 189(2), we are given that power and mandate by the Constitution. Finally, as we proceed with the transfer of these assets, handing over to county government,
then different types of sticks and prunes.